he treated Billy was, the guy was loyal like a dog, and Normandy treated him like a servant. I see why you two found each other. He screwed you both, right? Right? And plenty of relationships are based on less. So Billy kills Normandy. You two live happily ever after. He does it before the prenup is altered. But whose idea was it to kill him? Was it his or yours?
Unless you're charging her, this interview is over. Daphne, let's go. It was one time, that's it. Daphne, don't say
Look, I'm gonna talk. If I want to talk, I want to talk.
I know it was a mistake.
Liam. Liam.
And nothing ever happened with the prenup. The law is the law.
Liam. Okay, Nana.
For a minute, and then you let it go.
Liam.
I think it was his idea.
Whose idea do you think it was?
Probably business manager Nick. He was always on Normandy. About money.
I don't know, not dog. He was trying